Today I'm making a chicken piccata with a garlic confit and chili oil. Both of these star one of my favorite things, garlic. Get my spices ready for the oil and we will begin. I am making my own chili oil. So I have in here white pepper, salt, touch of sugar, some paprika, and a lot of dried chilies. Generally, I would put garlic in it, but today I'm making a garlic confit for another recipe. So I'm simmering. It's like you're not frying this. It takes 30 minutes. So it's a real slow boil to confit the garlic. So this will be a garlic infused oil when I'm done, and that oil has been pre-measured to go into my jar with all the peppers. So after about 20-30 minutes, when the garlic is done, I will scoop it out with a spider and then keep it aside for our chicken piccata. I will then add all the peppers into the garlic infused oil to make a chili oil for other recipes, not for the chicken piccata. To confit, you cook it very slow in oil. Duck fat would be nice, but I don't have it. They used to like confit duck. You would take like pieces of duck, cook it in the duck fat, very slow over the heat, and then store it in the duck fat, and you could put it away someplace cool all winter. If in your castle, I suppose you could put it in your dungeon. We don't need to do that anymore, but it's a nice thing sometimes. So I'm doing the confit garlic. It's going to make it really like buttery smooth. It's going to remove the bitterness and make it real, almost spreadable. It's going to be a really fun garlic for the chicken piccata, and the flavors are going into the oil. It's an experiment, but we're doing the oil for one recipe, the garlic for another. I have been moving the pan to keep it off the heat, but I think I had it off too much because it's been 25 minutes. The garlic is getting really nice and soft and squishy, like it's supposed to, and wonderful tasting because I tasted a piece, but not browned yet. So I put it completely on the burner to heat it up and kind of brown it off. But I didn't want to do this at first because it would have fried the garlic immediately, and you would have like fried on the outside, garlic in the middle, and this confit, the slow cooking, makes it soft all the way through. So we're just kind of finishing it off this way. I miss having gas. All we have here is electrics, and I don't really like them. This garlic is not browned yet. I've moved it over the heat to brown it, but I want to show you it's the little broken off piece of the garlic, and you take the spoon and just mash it. Let me try my finger. It should still hot. Let me see. Yeah, it's okay. And it's like almost spreadable. It's almost like a jelly. And it tastes wonderful. The garlic flavor is a lot less pronounced. And it's just a silky smooth, almost buttery consistency. And the sharpness of the garlic is gone. So the confit garlic is wonderful, but I'm browning it right now. This piece is being sacrificed to the chef. After scooping out the garlic, you have garlic infused oil, add all the spices, let it cool, jar it up, and you have this jar of amazing chili oil. So easy to make and so much better than anything I've bought. The chicken piccata is also extremely easy. The recipes are below in the description. I have a flour with Parmesan cheese mixture, chicken just sitting with salt and pepper on it, and I'm waiting for the water to boil. I have all the ingredients ready for my sauce. It's a white wine butter lemon sauce with capers. It's going to be really, really good. The holdup right now is waiting for the water to boil. Everything else is ready to go. I use a half and half mix of oil and butter. It's just what I prefer to use. You just dredge the chicken in flour It's not battered. The flour just helps it brown, and it leaves some fond in the pan to help flavor the sauce. I do pound the chicken out with a mallet to make it a uniform size. That's just enough garlic confit for 2 people. I love that stuff, but it takes so long to make. But I have everything ready to go. You just fry the chicken for a few minutes on each side and then start making the sauce. It goes together really quick. If you've ever been to an Italian restaurant and wanted something without red sauce, you probably got chicken piccata. If it's pounded out thin enough, it cooks just a few minutes on each side. You add the wine and the lemon juice and reduce it by about 50%. It's not going to thicken really, it just helps concentrate the flavors. Once it's reduced by about 50%, you add in the butter and the capers, and you let it simmer for just a few minutes, just to kind of bring all the flavors together. The sauce pours over the chicken. I use the pasta with just butter and Parmesan cheese, and because of me, I put mozzarella on top of everything, made some garlic bread. The star of the show is the garlic confit. The bonus is the chili oil. Enjoy your day in paradise.